We're going to take our quick mark ruler and measure at 4 inches and then 1/2 inch above. Divide the space by 2 inches. Now I'm dividing that spot, but first I'm going to come in at 2 inches and then 1/2 inch above, dividing that space out. Those are just going to be hourglass blocks at the bottom, in the corner there. Now I'm dividing that space, that's 1.5 inches square. Okay, coming in with the 1/2 inch. And then go ahead and divide the 1.5 inch squares with X's. And again, you can decide to keep going, add the design in here, or just leave it plain. I'm just doing hourglass blocks and then adding a little bit of a fun kind of pinwheel look with 1/4 inch lines. Just having those go opposite direction. It gives it a nice movement. So that's a bottom corner, or bottom quarter of the blocks. Okay, now I'm going to divide the upper part of this area into, so we have our 4 inch, and then we're going to divide those lines using my quick mark ruler. It's pretty easy for me to get the 2 inch line. You just adjust as you can. Now I'm going to use my quick mark curve to align every other one. It's first the curve line using those points, and then a 1/2 inch and then a 1/4 inch. So I'm just using the grid to get that shape. You see how nicely it comes together. Now I'm going to use my straight ruler and continue the design in the background. These are just lines, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, and then above 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch again. You can see how I'm leaving some of the space empty. So 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 1/4, and just repeat. Just go back and forth. I started this design in the middle, so when you have a border, you want to make sure that all the curved lines will work out. So I just made sure to start this in the middle and worked my way out. So middle of the border, I mean. All right, so now I'm gonna come in and fill the extra design inside the upper part. And those are just going to be, oh, actually, I got ahead of myself. I'm doing the 1/2 inch lines. It really is just moving your lines in different directions. So you can see how I'm doing that. And I draw everything out because it just looks better. And okay, now I'm coming in with those 1/4 inch lines to add a little bit of extra detail. So yeah, it looks great.